The sun had long since set over old Kyoto, leaving behind a warm orange glow that slowly faded into a cool twilight. The streets were quiet and empty, as if everyone had gone to sleep early for the night. Only the gentle pitter-patter of raindrops on the pavement broke the silence. A soft, white mist rose from the wet stones, creating an almost magical atmosphere in the narrow alleys. Each drop fell in a steady rhythm, like tiny kisses from the sky. The sound was peaceful and soothing, lulling the mind into a calm state. A faint light shone through paper lanterns hanging on both sides of the street, casting soft shadows that danced across the pavement. The rain seemed to whisper secrets as it dripped down onto these lights, making them flicker gently. I walked slowly through the narrow streets of old Kyoto. The rain pattered gently against the roofs and laneways, creating a soft rhythm that matched my bufa.
街道两边的屋顶在雨中显得格外清晰，雨水滴滴答答地落在上面。路面上的小鞋洼反射着昏黄的灯光，让一切都笼罩在一层淡淡的光晕里。偶尔，一两滴雨水划过我的脸颊，带着一丝凉意和清新。我感到自己像是融入了这幅宁静的画面，周围的一切都在为晚上的这场闲适之旅做准备。空气中弥漫着雨后的清新气息，与街道上飘来的淡淡茶香交织在一起，让人感到格外舒坦。我不急不躁地探索着每一个转角，希望能在这些古老的小巷中找到那家传说中的小茶屋。每走一步，都能听到自己的呼吸声和脚步声在空旷的雨夜中回荡。终于，在一条更加幽静的小路上，我看到了一扇小巧而精致的门扉，上面刻着“茶社”2个字，淡淡的墨色几乎与周围的一切融为一体。这扇门似乎在向我低声细语，邀请我去探寻里面的故事和温暖。
I pushed open the door, and a warm, gentle breeze greeted me. Inside, everything was peaceful and quiet. The floor creaked softly under my steps as I walked into the tea house. The walls were lined with old Japanese wood panels that seemed to whisper stories of past visitors. A low table stood in front of an open hearth where a small flame danced, casting a soft light around the room. Shadows played on the ancient wooden floors, giving everything an ethereal glow. A gentle aroma filled the air, a mix of fresh tea leaves and a sweet incense that seemed to calm my senses. His eyes were kind, full of gentle stories that seemed to have lived for centuries within them. He moved slowly, with careful steps that reminded me of leaves falling from trees in autumn. Each movement was deliberate, as if he were the wind itself, guiding everything tenderly and gently. I sat down beside him on a low wooden stool, feeling at peace in his presence. The air around us smelled faintly of aged paper and warm tea. I let out a deep breath, letting go of all my worries, just like releasing a balloon that had been tied with invisible strings. He began to prepare the tea, pouring water into a small kettle over low heat. The sound was soft like a whisper, and it brought me back to old memories of quiet evenings in Kyoto. He moved his hands slowly as he filled the teapot, turning it gently so the leaves would have time to unfurl. The steam from the pot curled up and down the small room, creating gentle shapes and shadows on the walls. It was like watching a slow dance between the air and the tea. As he handed me a delicate cup, I could see his eyes full of understanding and compassion. He sat back, smiling kindly at me. "Tea," he said softly, "is harmony." I sipped my tea, feeling its warmth spread through my fingers and into my heart. The taste was gentle and soothing, like a good night's rest. I let the moments pass slowly, enjoying the calm and quiet. As I sat there, I listened to the sound of the rain outside. It was a soothing sound like music, and it made me feel calm and relaxed. The gentle tapping on the wooden roof created a rhythmic melody that seemed almost to sing with each drop. The tea master poured me a cup of tea. The porcelain kettle whistled softly as the water reached its boiling point. He carefully placed the cup in front of me, and I took a sip. The warmth spread through my body, easing any tension I had been carrying. Outside, raindrops mingled with the soft rustling of leaves. The scent of wet earth filled the air, making everything feel fresh and new. The tea master sat across from me, his expression serene and gentle. He poured another cup for himself, pausing to observe the steam rising from the cup before drinking. The sound of rain continued to fall, creating a peaceful background. It was as if the rain shared its calmness with us, helping both of us find tranquility in this quiet moment. I sat in my favorite chair by the window, wrapped up in an old blanket. Outside, the rain continued to fall, creating a soft pitter-patter against the glass. Slowly, I leaned forward and placed my cup of tea on the small table beside me. The drops formed large, glistening droplets, each one settling onto the umbrella outside. They slid down and created little rivers that made their way to the edge, rolling off into the street below. The sound was a gentle lullaby, calming and soothing. As I watched, my thoughts began to drift. Memories of old Kyoto flooded back to me, of the first time I came here, so many years ago, with my dear friend Akiko. We had laughed together through the rain, holding on to each other as the cold water trickled down our cheeks. The warmth of those memories was like a comfort blanket wrapping around me. The tea in my cup started to grow cold, but I barely noticed. My eyes settled on the raindrops, watching them dance and blend into one another. Each drop seemed to have its own life, each with its own story to tell. How they moved so smoothly, slipping away like time itself. I felt a sense of peace wash over me. The rain was more than just water falling from the sky. It was a symbol of change and continuity. In the midst of this quiet, steady rhythm, my mind let go of all worries and concerns. We walked through the garden as if we were stepping into a peaceful dream. The rain had stopped just enough for the sky to light up with a soft gray, making everything look fresh and new. I could hear the gentle sound of water from the nearby bamboo stream, which added to the serene atmosphere. The path was made of smooth stones that led us deeper into the garden. Each step felt like dancing on clouds. To my left, there were rows of delicate cherry blossom trees, their branches heavy with raindrops that sparkled like tiny diamonds. The petals had fallen softly onto the ground, creating a carpet of pink and white. Directly in front of me was a large pond where koi fish swam slowly under the surface. Their colorful scales seemed to shimmer even in the dim light. Lotus flowers bloomed gracefully from the water, their stems reaching towards the sky as if they knew the rain had cleansed them. As we continued our walk, I noticed various plants and flowers that I couldn't name, but felt like old friends. Each one was a vibrant burst of color, adding brightness to the gloomy backdrop. The air was filled with the sweet scent of wet earth and leaves, a gentle reminder of nature's constant renewal. The tea master stopped by a stone bench near an ancient maple tree. Its branches were still partially bare but had started to bud again, promising spring was on its way. He sat down and gestured for me to join him. Together we watched the rain begin to gather once more, creating a soothing rhythm that filled the garden. The rain continued to fall softly, creating a soothing melody around us. We sat on the wooden bench under the old cherry tree. The air smelled of earth and petals, making me feel calm and at peace. The tea master placed a cup before me with delicate care. It was a simple act, but it felt like he was offering more than just tea. He looked at me with a gentle smile and spoke in a soft voice. "Please, enjoy this moment." I took the cup and lifted it to my lips. The warmth of the tea poured over my fingers, comforting them as much as it did my body. I sipped slowly, tasting the rich flavor. It was smooth and delicious, like no other tea I had ever drunk. The raindrops tapped gently against the leaves above us, adding a rhythmic pattern to our conversation. Everything seemed to move in slow motion here. The garden was tranquil, with just enough light from the setting sun to see clearly, but not too bright as to disturb the calmness. As I drank, my thoughts drifted away into that peaceful world. The only sounds were the rain and the occasional rustle of a bird or leaf. It felt like time stopped for a moment, allowing me to truly enjoy this evening. The tea master did not speak much more. We both seemed content with just being together in this quiet garden. He filled my cup again, and I drank another sip, savoring every last drop. As I sat there enjoying my last sips of tea, I noticed something. The rain had started to slow down. At first, it was still coming in steady drops, but they were falling less often now. The sound of the raindrops hitting the leaves and roof of the old tea house softened into a gentle patter. It was as if nature itself was taking its time to let us know that the storm was ending. The tea master, with his calm demeanor, noticed too. He smiled warmly at me and said something in Japanese, but I understood him clearly despite the language barrier. He was saying that the storm was passing and soon the sun would come out again. It was a comforting thought, like a promise of better times ahead. Outside, the world seemed to be waking up from its slumber. The air felt lighter, almost as if it had been cleansed by the rain. Through the windows, I could see faint traces of blue starting to appear in the sky, a sign that the sun was indeed making its way back after the storm. The tea master refilled my cup and offered a small bowl of green tea. He gestured for me to rest and enjoy the moment. I took the bowl gratefully, savoring each sip as if it carried the essence of the day itself. I felt my eyes getting heavy, and I let myself relax completely. The tea master's voice was gentle, almost like a lullaby. His words had slowed down, and the sound of the rain outside was fading away into the background.